Jesus. Jesus.
Oh, life sweet. Spinach, Alex, you tell me why I'm eating.
Then no. Chilling outside.
Because of the small December, this night they make all this noise. All this I never pick myself. Guy, this soup.
Spanner, why do you like to disgrace me, Spanner? Spanner, why do you like to disgrace me? Anywhere you go, you will be disgracing me. Don't you know that I'm a woman, Spanner?
Alex,
I deserve some respect, Spanner. Everywhere you go, you will disgrace me. Don't you know I'm a public figure too?
Alex, I insult anybody.
No.
Come and shut up your mouth there before I blow your head. No. Why would you support him? Because he's your boss. Spanner, what be this? Spanner, what be this?
Now video I post now. Wait till that.
Oh, now video where you post. So anywhere you go now, Spanner, you eat fufu. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Anywhere you go, you be eating fufu. Fufu. Everywhere will be smelling fufu. So because I'm chasing you out of this house. That's why you will now go to Baba, where you are barbing your head and you will eat fufu there.
Why you talk like say you don't know what you don't know sitting on my content with that? Why they talk like this? You don't talk like say I know they feel your pain. Which pain again I will feel? But I ask one thing. What do you make it up for? Oh no, be me that thing. What do you bring me outside?
Na fufu.
Na fufu make people know me.
Yes.
Why are you complaining?
I don't know say the fufu don't enter your brain.
But you love me.
I don't know say the fufu enter your brain.
Shut up.
Everywhere you go now na fufu. If fufu na human being you go marry am. The way why they see your eye no correct.
I don't understand this.
You see, no, I don't want me to understand me. My own be saying stop disgracing me. Anywhere you go, you will disgrace me.
I don't put the name now. I call your name.
Must you put my name? Everybody here knows say na me and you the date. They know say me and you the date. So must you put my name?
If you know what else on date me now.
Exactly.
When I mean on date you. Did I hear you say exactly? If I slap you here, this boy, see, you hear from me later. Spanner.
Undate me.
I shall undate you. Never. It will never happen.
If you don't want to undate me, or you undated.
Spanner, it will not happen. I shall undate you. I don't tell you before. You know they talk that. No, they repeat that words again. I'm gonna see me undate you again.
I
don't tell you say na for better for worse. So far say you don't see my tape, my naked. See, it will not. I'm a mama now. Remove that camera now before I break your head.
But I did video before you come in.
You the video. I don't want that video.
Okay,
Spanner. You say make you do it. Spanner, me and you go put two legs on.
Wait, I don't even understand that problem. I don't even understand. So okay, video I post now. You know they inside there. When they come break this corner now, I just come outside here now for this outside. Make I collect cool breeze. They chop my food.
Nothing happen, Abi. And they come back. 9 people they talk. They say, they smell fufu. Upon all the perfume why I put, Spanner, I they smell fufu. Spanner, I they shame. See me.
Jesus. Sir?
Nonsense.
Not kind of food.
Come on. If I see you, come and eat. Make I see you. Come and eat.
Jesus.
You don't go eat any. Make I see you touch any fufu for this house again. All the house they smell fufu. You get what? Nonsense.
Jesus.
They shout Jesus. Come on, this small girl. You don't feel do something. They shout Jesus. When she carry small water, you first run. I beg, ma carry my phone, ma finish. You better she like a money, I must finish this video.
No. Hey.
Pina. Open this door now.
I will break your head.
You go break my head for my house. You go to my head. Open this door. Open. I hope for hand. Open. Make I just finish it down. I will come up for you.
You promise me that for 1 week you will not eat fufu in this house.
You say?
For 1 week you will not eat fufu in this house again.
Sorry.
It's a laugh.
Sorry.
It's a laugh.
Yes.
I beg, if na joke, stop am.
Who dey talk with you?
What the? Pina, open this door first. We shall not break down. We shall show you to come lock me for outside. For my house, you like this.
Na there you go sleep o.
No verse now. No verse. Aya, give me the soup. Give me the soup.
I don chop am.
You don't try this. Open this door now, madam.
Boss, you go sit for us.
Thunder fire.